Okay, now we are going to see illustration 9, page number 33. Okay, ambitious enterprises is currently working at 5% capacity and produces 10,000 units. 5% capacity and produces 10,000 units. Okay, at 60% working raw material cost increased by 2% and selling price fall by 2%. Okay, at 60% working raw material cost increased by 2%, selling price falls by 2%. At 80% working raw material cost at increases by 5% and selling price falls by 5%. Increases by 5% and selling price falls by 5%. At 50% capacity working, the product cost 180 per unit. For 50% the product cost 180 per unit and is sold at rupees 200 per unit. Okay, the cost of 180 is made up as follow: material, wages, factory overheads, administration overheads. Okay, prepare a marginal cost statement showing the estimated profit of business when it is operated at 60% and 80% capacity. Okay, here we are going to prepare statement of marginal cost. Let's take 50%, then 60% and 80%. Okay, here we are going to write the value they have given. If you see here, ambitious enterprise is currently working at 50% capacity, 10,000 units here, so that here units will be 10,000. Okay, for 60% and 80% we do know. Now we are going to calculate it. Okay, for 50% it is 10,000 units. Okay, so that 100% it will be 20,000 units. So that, okay, so that 20,000 into 60% you get 12,000. That will be a capacity for 12,000. See, I'll explain it again. For 50% capacity, 10,000 units. Another of 50% you get 10,000 units. So that 100% means 20,000 units. 20,000 units into 60% you get 12,000. Okay, then 20,000 into 80% you get 16,000. Okay, 16,000. For your verification, I will write it here. For here, 20,000 into 60%. Here, 20,000 into 80% you get. Okay, now we'll move on to material 100, wages 30. Okay, material is 100. Here, material, wages, factory overheads, administrative overheads is given. Okay, material, wages. Okay, let's start with material, then wages. Okay, here material it's given 100. This is for the cost of 180 is made up as follow. 180 is given for 50% capacity working, the product cost 180 per unit. So that 50% 180, so that this is the material and wages for 50%. So that 100 material. Okay, so that 100 into 10,000 you get 100 into 10,000 you get 10 lakhs. Okay, here I'll enter it. Okay, for your verification I'll write it above. 100 into 10,000. Okay, for wages it is given 30. For wages it is given 30. So that 30 into 10,000 you get 3 lakhs. Okay, okay, for 60% and 80% you see here they have mentioned 60% working raw material cost increased by 2%. Okay, for so that 60% equal to 100% plus 2% you get 102. Okay, 100 into 2% you get 2, 100 plus 2 you get 102. So that 102 into 60, 102 into 12,000. Okay, 102 into 12,000 you get 12,24,000. Okay, here they have said only for 60 percentage cost increase by raw material cost increase by 2 percentage, so that for material only you're calculating 1 or 2. Okay, likewise for 80 percentage is given 80 percentage working raw material cost increase by 5 percentage, so that 100 plus 5, 100 into 5 percentage you get 5, 100 plus 5 you get 105. Okay, and so that 105 into 80%, 105 into 16,000, 105 into 16,000 you get 1 lakh, 16 lakh 80,000. Okay, 16 lakh 80,000. Okay, wages remains the same for everyone, 30, so that 30 into 12,000 you get the 3 lakh 60,000. Likewise 30 into 16,000 you get 4 lakh 80,000. Okay, material wages, then variable overheads. Okay, here variable overheads, here we have factory overheads and administrative overheads, so that variable overheads, factory and administrative. Okay, here they have said in factory overheads 40 percentage is fixed, so that 40 percentage is fixed means what will be variable? 100 minus 40 you get 60 percentage. Okay, and if it is 50 percentage fixed, variable will be 50 percentage. Okay, 30 into 60 percentage you get 18. Next 20 into 50 percentage you get 10. Okay, that here 18 into 10,000 you get 1,80,000. Okay, likewise if you do it for 18 into 12,000 you get 2,16,000. Likewise if you do it for 18 into 16,000 you get 2,88,000. Okay, administrative, we have found that for administration we have found 10. Okay, so that for administration 10 into 10,000 you get 1 lakh. Likewise if you do 10 into 12,000 you get 1,20,000. Then if you do it for 10 into 16,000 you get 1,60,000. Now marginal cost. Okay, if you add it you get, if you add 10 you get, if you add it you get 15,80,000, and for 60 percentage if you add you get 19,20,000. Then for 80 percentage you get 26,08,000. Okay, after marginal cost what we'll do? Minus what? Sorry, minus sales. Okay, at 50 percentage capacity sold at 200 per unit, so that sales is 200. 200 into 10,000, 200 into 10,000 you get 20 lakhs. Okay, as you see for 60 percentage and 80 percentage they have not given, but they have said selling price falls by 2 percentage. For 50 percentage they have given 200 per unit. Okay, for 50 percentage it is 200 and selling price falls by 2 percentage, so that 200 minus 2, what do you get? Sorry, for 50 percentage they have given 200. Okay, but for 60 percentage and 80 percentage they didn't give the selling price, but they have said that selling price falls by 2 percentage for 60 percentage, so that 200 into 2 percentage, 200 into 2 percentage you get 4. Okay, so that 200 minus 4, what do you get? 196. Okay, that 196 into 60%, 196 into 12,000. Okay, if you multiply it you get 23,52,000. Okay, now for 80 percentage capacity they have said that selling price falls by 5%. So that 5% means 200 into 5% you get 10. So that 200 minus 10 you get 190. Okay. So that here 190 into 16,000. 190 into 16,000 you get 30 lakh 40,000. Okay. Now contribution. Okay, marginal cost minus sales, you get contribution, right? You get 4 lakh 20,000 for 50%. Then you get 4 lakh 32,000 for 60%, and you get 4 lakh 32,000 for 4 lakh 32,000 for 80%. Okay. Now less fixed cost. Okay. As you see in the question, they have given 40% is fixed and 50% is fixed. So that 40 into 30. Factory they have given 30 and administration they have given. But 40% is fixed. Okay, 60 here 50% fixed. So that 30 into 40% you get 12. Likewise 20 into 50% you get 10. So that 12 into 10,000 you get 1,20,000. 1,20,000 here. Then they will enter it like that. So that 10 into 10,000. Okay, 10 into 10,000 you get 1 lakh. So that if you add both of it you get 2 lakh 20. Okay, if you add it you get 2 lakh 20,000. That will be your fixed cost. It will remain same for everything. Okay, your profit comes. Okay, 4 lakh 20,000 minus 2 lakh 20,000 you get 2 lakh. Likewise 4 lakh 32,000 minus 2 lakh 20,000 you get 2 lakh 12,000. Okay, then here you get 2 lakh 12,000. Okay, here this calculation I feel it somewhat difficult, so that I calculated and kept it like this. If you want you can calculate it like this, or you can use this method also for calculation.